that we can write in our code when we want to perform certain operations multiple times. So really a simple example is when we want to print hello world 5 times. Would we just copy and paste the code 5 times like I just did? Or put that code into a function and then call that code 5 times, like literally 5 times in our code? Or we can just use a loop to say, hey, I want to print this code here to run 5 times in a row. Well, loops are also important kind of for big picture stuff. So picture game, right? If you want to keep the game running, you don't want to just like run the game and just run one frame and exit and that's it, right? You don't want it because that's weird. That is not a fun game. You want to keep a game actually playing and so far what you need is something called a game loop. And a game loop is just something that essentially says, hey, while the game is running, so while the user hasn't decided to quit the game, keep updating the game, keep running the game, keep moving all the characters around, keep doing everything like over and over again, frame by frame. So it's very important for programming. They used to like every program. Alright. Yeah. Let's talk about the for loop. So how does it work? So first of all, you need to do this. For and this is 8I equal 0. So this is only the first the first part. Like some people might think, what does I mean? Well, I can literally call this variable absolutely anything at all. It doesn't matter. It doesn't need to be an integer or it doesn't have to be equal to 0. You can do pretty much everything you want on it. And the second part is condition. So right here, because we're gonna print the hello world 5 times, I'm gonna set I less than 5. And basically that says as long as the condition is true, keep going to executing code inside the for loop. So in this case, since we want the code to execute 5 times, yeah, that's why I put I less than 5. Alright, so the last statement is basically the code that will be called before the next iteration of the for loop. So in this case, what we want to do is write I++, which basically the same thing as saying I plus equals 1 or I equals 1 plus 1. Which basically means that we are going to increment our I value with a variable which starts at 0. We're going to increment it by 1. Like every time. We're going to like plus 1 in every single iteration of it. For of this for loop. And then of course we provide a body. We're gonna provide a body here, which is basically just saying that everything in this body is the content of our for loop. Our body is gonna be cout hello world. Oh, yep. Yep. Let's see if it doesn't work. Here's a magic. Oh, what's going on here? What's going on? Oh, Yeah, that was it. Syntax error. Don't do that. That was a bad example. Yeah. As you see, here we go. 5 hello world. It's fun, right?